Still spending hours with your books and getting nowhere? Let's fix that, because in 2025, studying isn't about working harder, it's about using the system. Phase 1. Prepare intelligently. Before you crack open a textbook, define your learning objective. According to the principle of goal-directed learning, Locke and Latham, 2002, students with a clear end goal outperform those without. Use Notion or Obsidian to build a modular dashboard. Break content into subtopics and schedule reviews using spaced repetition, a technique backed by memory researchers like Ebbinghaus and Karpika. This primes your brain for long-term retention, not short-term cramming. Phase 2. Learn actively. Reading and highlighting aren't learning. According to a 2013 meta-analysis by Dunlosky et al., passive strategies yield minimal results, while active recall, quizzing yourself without notes, dramatically improves memory. Use Anki or RemNote to automate this. Their spaced repetition algorithms ensure you review material just before forgetting it, aligning with the forgetting curve model. Phase 3. Optimize with AI. AI isn't a shortcut, it's a multiplier. Use ChatGPT or Claude.ai to summarize dense material into bullet points or analogies, which aids in dual coding. Pivio, 1990. Tools like Gamma.app or Notion AI can convert raw notes into structured study sheets. Even PDF extraction tools like Humata or Explain Paper can simplify academic papers in seconds. Phase 4. Protect your focus. Your attention span is under siege. Cognitive psychologists like Dr. Gloria Mark show the average knowledge worker is interrupted every 3 minutes. Use a 25/5 Pomodoro cycle with Serene, Forest, or Focus To Do. Combine it with AI time blocking tools like Motion or Sunsama, which adjust your schedule based on your focus peaks. Linked to your ultradian rhythm, 90 to 120-minute brain activity cycles. Phase 5. Rest, track, repeat. Cognitive performance is tied to sleep, mood, and circadian rhythm. A 2019 study from the journal Sleep found a strong link between sleep quality and academic achievement. Use habit trackers, wearables, or apps like Rise or Sleep Cycle to monitor patterns. Plug this into your study planner and track which hours produce your deepest focus. Self-quantification is your key to sustainable productivity. The future of studying isn't in textbooks, it's in systems. Want to unlock your full cognitive potential with cutting-edge tools? Subscribe now, because the way you study is about to change forever.